Right, the machine a clean down, but I clean it down today. No? Today I mean I'm an office suit, you see it? Long sleeve. And that's a bra and bully I did the right thing. From what day I hide me out, you know? And every time but when me done cover chuck him a come link me, you know?
Yeah, man.
Where you go with blue one? Martin Detroit.
What is that? I know.
Every day is a new chuck in the L10. How you go?
Why, money have to collect it. You know, because I can't buy the local clubs. So I go to Tabu and shades.
Make a one club? Yeah, man. Make a
I know.
I know. So vlog world morning time, this is Bully from Jamaica Aggregates.
Yeah.
You know, see him have him walkie-talkie on him pocket. Yeah, you know.
Yeah. I have a safety glass for your gloves, yeah?
Right, gloves and helmet. If you don't have them, then they send it to you get, not true?
Have you look like you're fully active, yeah?
See there?
See everything like you're fully active,
Why
yeah?
me I tell all the key nice?
Yeah.
See there? Them man say stay far from the tractor. Yo, you know ramp, you know? One thing I want to tell us, yo, stay far, boss. Yeah, man, stay far. Yeah? In a ramp, man. The vlog girl see there, back part loader now, front part, now wait for the load out. It is just a working tool that carry big load, drive like a big bus. Comfort with class. You know. Wagwan. Right, the machine a clean down, but I clean it down today. No? Today I mean I'm an office suit, you see it? Long sleeve. And that's a bra and bully I did the right thing. From what day I hide me out, you know? And every time but when me done cover chuck him a come link me, you know?
Yeah, man.
Where you go with blue one? You know? You suffer? Christmas you want blue one, not true? No for them. Yeah, man. Bully now. I hide me. Every time me done cover chuck him a come link me. Forward you know still. Like him a look at a lunch money in the morning, you know? Make him think mad. You see it? What go on now? You suffer? Go on, me tell her. Eh? Yeah, see how you eat bread. Jesus.
Dry bread.
Dry bread.
I work a big quarry.
Christmas I want to go for blue one.
Couldn't get roasted. Couldn't get roasted.
Oh, the raisin bun.
What's bread? Oh, bread there. The big overnight food on plate.
Yeah.
I can eat that one.
When name?
Wednesday.
Alright, bossy. Alright.
How in that?
Wednesday, Thursday. You hear that? Oh, you don't know that. Today Thursday. Today Thursday, tomorrow Friday. So vlog world, this is where you can you know you go on your vacation. Yeah, we are tip off where spread out a lot with stone. Margaritaville, watch your ears. You know. That is it. So wish for you know have on a vacation and anything. We build them, you know. That is it. Update. So tip off the load. Run a Margaritaville. Yeah, so basically them go put that load there on the car park. Spread it off. But the one load don't look like it how to still. Probably them have to use 2 or so. But one load then take for now. So yeah, I use one bobcat shoot it off and thing. But I go back to Jamaica aggregates now and take up a load. Go down a line, you know. So that is it. Stick and stay, you know. One lightning, you know. That is it. Vlogger seat there now. Now load again, you know. Stone I take up from here so I put on the deal. Iron. Then say that stone I record. Then say that stone I record the one up so. I have to make sure the stone clean, huh? So then take out the trash out tight and things. So I hit today all load. Bronx man behind the control. Check it. We're there again, you know. Yeah. Pull you over there so you know. Camera clean, you know. Me know man. How say so? David, me know man.
You know me have a girl and you know.
You see?
Machine over there so. And you know.
Every day is a new truck in the L10. How you go?
Boy, money have to collect you know cause me can't go to local clubs. So I go to Taboo and shades
Make a one club? Yeah man, make a one.
And you know.
Yeah man, you get a pull out, you know? But you don't want it. Show him man or you tell him say you want the load.
But don't put none of that stuff.
Yeah.
It's like cap shield, you know. That's like who design it at them, the helmet them, and the cap shield is up.
You see it?
It's true, leave me know why you're going to hear the tractor them. You understand? You have to show them. So, yo, put roll to the middle here, so.
Yeah.
You understand? Put some on the throat. Look a bit harder here, so.
Yeah.
Don't put none of that, so.
You understand?
You know.
Yeah man. Right now we are creep down the stone and now we are good on the road. You know? Not say so, you know. One bully, you know. You know? That is it. Cap all in time, you know. Where's the bully? Now brought down back?
No, sir.
Alright. So, update vlog girl. Load you now. On my way. Right now. 1:03. Yeah. I'm reach back. Run a Robbins Bay crossing and so. Belfield turn off.
This is DJ Scratcher.
Music are running in the background now. We have to take the time for the DJ Scratcher. That is it. DJ. So Black Girl, watch it out. Reach you now. In a little traffic. Not much. A little traffic. So that is it. Alright vloggers, so I'm gonna tell you a thing now with watching. See friendship there, yeah, I see enough traffic around us. See tourists them walk on the roadside, yeah man, ship them out. Police there, everybody there. See me? See key to ya. Yeah man, ship there. So you know where you go. Shit. Active. Be a traffic they are watching. Going in, you know, just because I ship. I see if it long come be out on this ahead. So I go and see the rest. Move out in the car. I'm gonna that rest. Active. See that traffic still continues. And then bus man, I look on them and broke your road. Look on them. See police here come now. And them want me come off a road for them. Them like a bad team show. You see how they're no better than the car man them. Sure. Them not better than the damn well boss man them. You know, Christmas enough for them aunties, you know, man. They won't turn in a line. Sure. Just know if him mash up man there. Anyways. See. Yeah, man. Chuck, you're well known on the road, you know. Yes, sir. See how long the traffic be? From where on now? From where on now? Run up here. So we still reach on a mistake out here. And traffic still around here. Christmas miserable. So all out there out of port and want to come in and watch it, just know so when ship there and them time of day, just know so you have a bug up on traffic. Just know that, just plan for that. See, we around us traffic there. See the blogger reach Duns River. Traffic same way. Duns River Falls. See, traffic long come way around us here. Trust me, that no nice, especially if you are a truck man like me. Your clutch foot hot you. See, this is a drinks truck and very little space in front of you. Yeah, man. How that? Jenna J. Traffic blocking, y'all come down in a tight and stocking. Watch your hairstyle whopping, serious thing. Oh bad, it's a traffic continuous so far. If thanks in the on my head. Me free flowing. The traffic going. Almost Pearly Beach. Traffic. See, bus man like me again. We almost reach on a Pearly Beach. Traffic again. Traffic again. Traffic. See you. See that? Oh man. It's serious. Check say traffic gonna stop now. Nah stop at all. That move like Buju Bantan's down. Don't stop at all. Traffic now stop. Right. No, see you when traffic still gone. Traffic same way. It's not look good. Oh man. Yo, this serious. Normally long, you know, but not so long. Normally traffic long, but not so long. Look how far traffic has come from. You know how much vehicle this? Chachagan. Christmas traffic. long come straight round and round about. Look how long in traffic with vlogger. See all push heights there in traffic. Traffic long, you know? No long. January. Look there, man. Jacks all the traffic reach, you know? All we know my side just easy going, flowing down the street. It's a spanner, yeah? Yeah, man. Ah, that's spanner. Second time now, me and my pass I say Cho. What they are calling me? Yeah, right now DB stop, get some item. Right, that's a regular stop and thing, you know. Walk around and check the entire and then we just take on the road again. No time to waste. So vlogger will reach Laughing Waters, Laughing River, and we want to go catch back a load, but we can't catch back. The time and traffic ahead. What make me get a butt? Oh, the vlogger go on. What make me give him that space, man? Oh, I should be more out of work. Try not to you try and move from here, say no. Oh. One of those disgusting. That bus man stop sudden for me down the road a while ago. If you take up passenger. No, we ain't coming between. Yeah, so. See there? See what I go on? Traffic. So the traffic catch you back for come back. So you have to say Christmas not pretty. Yeah. You know? So yeah man, traffic catch you if you come back and things. So I between you know, we did a plan to go back go load but can't catch back place. Be a traffic. You see, so I have to just call it tonight, you know. But that is it here, we have to give thanks and take the time go eat. So I just have bunk some music and just take my time and go in, you know? Syndicate. Diplomat. Resume. But I just like someone don't care. I don't complain. Yeah man, so that is it, you know? Yo! Like your cams up, man. D try to bark like a dog. Hey! Yes, sir. The back heavy, you know? Eh? Like why you checking up? Like here? Yeah, man. Machine. Like a choco. The choco. Yeah, but you can't wait for the ship to be ready. You see it? Well on, well on. Go on, go on. Martin Detroit. Donkey, don't move cranky in a youth. Look how long they been turn around.
Anybody, I suck pussy.
Yo, come anytime I ever come on a different something, my friend, same here badness. Yeah, man, partly cloudy. Yeah, man, check it out. There, my friend. Yeah.